Today we're gonna sing a song. It's sort of about this. What's this?
No song.
No song. 歌わないの? Do you want to play with this? Come over here then. Okay. 息子は歌わないって言ってるけど、どうかな? これは何ですか? What's this? This is yarn.
Yarn.
毛糸. Today we're going to sing a song called
糸巻き巻き。
糸巻き巻き Wind the Bobbin Up 英語では Wind the Bobbin Up という歌を歌います Okay, and this is the Japanese version. No, this is the Japanese song that is made into the English version, English language. で英語の歌でも Wind the Bobbin Up というナーサリーライムがあるんですけども、今日歌うのは糸巻き巻きを英語にしたバージョンです。Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, tap, tap, tap. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, tap, tap, tap. We made baby shoes. Now let's make elephant shoes. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, tap, tap, tap. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, tap, tap, tap. We made elephant shoes. Now let's make mouse's shoes. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, tap, tap, tap. Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, tap, tap, tap. We made mouse's shoes. Are mouse's shoes small?
Yeah.
And how about elephant shoes?
Big.
It's big. How big?
I don't know. This big.
This big?
This giant big.
Giant big. Humongous.
Monkey?
Humongous. Ginormous. いろいろ大きいっていう言葉ありますよね。I'm going to explain what some of the phrases mean. 少し歌の説明をします。Wind は巻く。そして wind something up というのはぐるぐると何かを巻くという意味になります。And bobbin はボビン、糸巻きのことです。引いては pull and トントントントントントンというのは tap 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 軽く叩くので tap 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 と言います。似たような言葉で thump 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 という言葉があるんですけども thump は何かずっしりと強く叩くそんな時に使う表現です。Okay, well, thanks for watching.
Bye
Bye. Kanto. Kanto. Silly.
は
せーの。
はい